Faster than the arrow, faster than the boar, a mechanical virus in the mind of men. Catch it if you want to, catch it if you can.